In India, so far lithium-ion battery cells are importing from China and battery packs are assembling here. But Log9 Materials started India's first ever lithium-ion cell manufacturing unit in Bengaluru. It is one of the greatest milestones for India. Log9 lithium cell production facility have an initial capacity of 50 megawatt-hour. It will be located in Jakkur, Bengaluru. The startup to manufacture LTO, lithium titanate oxide, and LFP, lithium ferro phosphate cell manufacturing in India. They are manufacturing cylindrical cells ranging from 22 series to 66 series based on the end user requirement. The specialty of LTO battery packs, it is one of the safest lithium ion chemistry. Lithium titanate oxide battery packs is fireproof and impact proof. The startup tested the LTO battery packs in extreme temperatures and the results are outstanding. Compared with existing NMC battery pack and LFP battery packs, LTO battery packs offer high discharge rate, fast charging and more life cycles. These battery packs can be operated between -40 degrees to 65 degrees centigrade. The LTO battery packs to have 40,000 charge and discharge cycles and 10 plus years of battery life, which means 200 times higher battery life cycles than the existing NMC and LFP chemistry. By using these batteries, any electric two-wheeler like electric scooter or bike can be charged in just 10 minutes with a 250 amps charger. Log9 Materials tested their battery pack in electric scooter and achieved some great results. Already Log9 Materials deployed 3000 EV batteries in the country. Also, popular battery manufacturer Amar Raja earlier announced 2,540 crore rupees funding to Log9 Materials. But a point to be noted that LTO battery packs are expensive compared with NMC and LFP battery packs, almost 3 times higher cost. Anyway, good to see India's first cell manufacturing plant, that too it is from a startup. Wishing all the best for Log9 Materials. If you are an electric vehicle owner willing to share your ownership review with us, please WhatsApp your details to the number shown on the screen or else fill the form link in the description below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to MVS Auto. For electric vehicle content, please subscribe to EV Bro. For EV reviews, please subscribe to EV Bro Reviews.